Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday the 11th. I hope everybody has a good weekend. It's one of those days in which the USDA puts out their monthly supply and demand revisions. Sometimes these markets can be very volatile. Sometimes bearish markets can bounce after the numbers come out, but we expect that the lower trend that we've seen in the last month or so is going to continue with a favorable U.S. weather forecast. At 11 o'clock, the USDA should keep the old crop U.S. And world supply and demand carryouts about unchanged from their June estimate. We could see a little bit of a bump up in the corn estimate because of lower feed usage and maybe lower export numbers. The key will be what they do for 14 and 15. They could raise the 14 and 15 U.S. corn yield from their 165 number, and that would raise the carryout even more. In beans, they expected to show the much larger bean acreage estimate that has weighed on bean prices since the June 30th report, and that'll show a carryout that could exceed 400 million bushels, and that's bearish, even though we've traded beans, November beans now below the $11 price level. In wheat, they could show a little bit more world wheat numbers and maybe a little bit more U.S. Wheat numbers because of lower feed usage and the possibility of a little bit lower demand numbers. So all in all, the numbers should be slightly bearish, and then we turn to weather. You look outside today, and Chicago weather is ideal for summer. It's not hot and it's not humid, and they've got rains that are coming across the western Midwest that will weaken to Chicago tomorrow and Sunday, and then the next week we look to be much cooler and drier, and so that is perfect for crop conditions. We expect on Monday the USDA to keep their ratings high for both corn, beans, and spring wheat. The 8 to 14 day map shows cooler than normal temps and normal rainfall, so no problems there. The only interesting thing that popped up was the 15 to 20 day maps, which are the least reliable, show a warmer and drier trend. So we'll see if that comes true, if that's what the crop needs, if we have too much of that. But right now the market's going to be trading this very good U.S. weather pattern, which is bearish to prices. We'll be back at 11 o'clock for an update on what the USDA said and the market reaction for another video. And so have a good day, profitable trading day. And these are my thoughts, and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services.